At Forthright, our focus is on optimizing application delivery. And in that regard, we help guide our customers to select the most appropriate infrastructure that's easily managed and highly secure, while still providing an excellent end-user experience. IGEL was a natural fit for the vendor partnerships that we sought to establish because they meet those criteria. The endpoint is the main point of interface for end users as they're going about their day, doing their jobs. So it was important for us that we could provide an endpoint solution, an end-user compute solution that was going to be able to provide a great end-user experience, but at the same time be able to provide management and security for IT so they could ensure that as they're rolling these out by the hundreds or by the thousands, that they have full purview over what's going on and they're secure and not creating unnecessary risks for the organization. For a long time, people thought about endpoints as physical devices. And as we move on and we talk about this concept of workspace, which is really where you take the applications of data that the end user is using to do their job, and you abstract that from the hardware, I think our customers are realizing that the hardware itself is, while it's important, it is not as material as being able to provide that everything's software defined. So in that regard, IGEL's shift away from emphasizing the hardware elements of what they do from an endpoint to looking at the software, I think has been aligned with how we see our customers approaching this concept of workspace and sort of the message that we bring to market.
IGEL is certainly one of our most strategic partners. Certainly a game changer in the thin client industry. Truth is, everybody makes great thin clients, but their secret sauce is their software, and it really makes life a lot easier managing the endpoints, and we recommend IGEL very often. I think a lot of people still aren't aware of the capabilities of IGEL software. They've certainly grown a lot. They're getting a lot of big wins, big enterprise customers. Certainly catching up to the folks at Dell and HP. Their differentiator is their software, which is light years ahead of anything else in the market. Working with IGEL is fantastic. All of their teams, they have A players. They'll help us get down and dirty with POCs and evaluations if need be. Very available. We're all in this together.
We've enjoyed a very, very strong relationship with IGEL. They're one of our top 5 focus partners. So in addition to Citrix, IGEL and Nutanix, they're really kind of our go-to. The IGEL field team has been phenomenal. I've had a chance to work with them, since we became a platinum partner, and we get a tremendous amount of support from them, as we go out and we joint sell and meet with customers. So we have great communication, really good cadence overall, and we feel like there's a lot of mutual support and alignment between the two organizations, which is really important, as we're trying to address the challenging needs of our customers. It could be as something like a UD3, desktop device, or the UD Pocket for work from home users, or even using the UDC software to convert old devices. So IGEL bringing those choices to the customer, giving them that flexibility, I think is really important as they look to take advantage of the intelligent workspace.